Our five senses. God has given us different organs to know about the world around us. These organs give us the power to see, hear, taste, smell, and touch. We call these powers our five senses. Sight is the sense that allows us to see. The sense organ that makes this possible is the eye. Our eyes show us the size, shape, and color of things around us. Our eyes work much like a camera. Each eye has an adjustable opening called the iris. Through this opening, the light enters the eye. It has a lens that helps to form an image on a sensitive film called the retina. This film is at the back of the eye. The eye is connected to the brain by a nerve called the optic nerve. This nerve sends messages to the brain about the image formed on the retina. Then the brain tells us what object we are looking at. Hearing is the sense that allows us to pick up sound. The sense organ that makes this possible is the ear. God has given us 2 ears. Each ear has 3 main parts: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. The outer ear is the part we can see. It has a tube that leads into the head. The outer ear collects the sound waves and sends them to the middle ear. At the entrance of the middle ear, there is a thin skin called the eardrum. It moves to and fro when a sound strikes against it. The inner ear has in it a kind of liquid. Vibrations are caused in this liquid when the eardrum moves. The nerves in the liquid convey the message to the brain. Then, the brain tells us what this sound is. Taste is the sense that allows us to recognize the thing we put in our mouth. The sense organ that makes this possible is our tongue. We have batches of taste buds on the back, tip, and sides of our tongue. Each batch picks up one kind of taste. Nerves running from the buds to the brain tell us the taste of the food we are eating. Smell is the sense that enables us to recognize the odor or scent of something. The sense organ that makes this possible is the nose. There are special cells at the top and back of the inside of the nose. These cells send messages to the brain. Then the brain tells us what that smell is. Touch is the sense that tells us by feel what an object is. Our skin has different nerve cells called receptors. Some parts of the body, such as the tongue and the fingerprints, have more receptors than others. These parts are more sensitive to touch than the others. We have receptors inside our body also. It is these receptors that tell us if we are tired or hungry. Our 5 senses are like the keyboard of a computer. The nerves are the wires that carry the information to the brain. Our brain is like the CPU, central processing unit of a computer. It sorts out the information and tells us what to do.